I am extremely happy that today this Center for Planetary Science has been inaugurated after my name, and I am really privileged, and I thank the Dikshant Global International School Management for that. And this is actually the laboratory. Here you can see the models of some of the satellites and launch vehicles of ISRO. And one of the important activities which has been carried out in the last 2 days for the students is there is a students workshop in which they built with their own hands the small satellites, micro satellites which are here, and this was launched by means of dropping from a multi-story building, and using this kind of parachutes the descent time was increased, and this particular parachute helps them to increase the descent time, reduce the velocity of dropping, and then many different parameters of the air like temperature, pressure, humidity, etc., were measured by means of the sensors and were transmitted to the ground equipment receiver. So, this is an important activity to start up. This is a phase 1 of the experiment, and this on hands experience will give students and to enable them to understand the basic concepts and their enhancement of the knowledge of the space technology, and this is a very exciting project. And similarly, there are some further projects are scheduled to be undertaken by this particular center, and it is a very good development in the Dikshant project related activities, I should say. Thank you very much.
I am Raghav Sharma from Smart Circuits company. So, we have organized 2-day workshop on CanSat satellite, in which the students made their own satellite, in which they have embedded all the sensors, like they have to collect the data of environment. So, they have used many sensors like the BMP sensors for collecting the data of altitude and the atmospheric pressures, and there are many sensors they have used in this CAN satellite. And they have made all the circuits and programmed the Arduino development board and connect all these mechanical structure. If you just see there, they have started all these things with their own hands. So, like they have started from the scratch, they have built the mechanical structure of this CAN satellite, and they have just embedded all the sensors using the communication module, so that they can get the live data in their mobile phone as well as on your laptop. So, that this is the first stage of these satellite space labs, right. So, in the future they can also make their own balloon satellite, because in this satellite we have a limitation that we cannot go beyond around 30 to 50 feet because of the communication modules range. So, in that balloon satellite they can go up to around 30 kilometers and get the live data. So, by conducting this workshop, it is like to create a spark in them, so that they can aware much more about the space science. So, setting up this space lab is really a great initiative by these schools, and I hope that definitely they in future they will also have their own cube satellite in space. Thank you.